These are Biorad variable volume micropipettes. They are used to precisely measure volumes from 0.5 to 1,000 microliters. They are stored on a rack. It's important to understand the parts of the micropipette. The plunger button is used to draw up and dispense solution. The tip ejector button allows you to easily eject the micropipette tip from the unit. The volume dial allows you to adjust the volume, and the volume dial lock secures the set volume. We have 4 different volume pipettes: 100 to 1,000 microliters, 20 to 200 microliters, 2 to 20 microliters, and 0.5 to 10 microliters. Each micropipette has its own disposable tips. They should be used directly out of the rack. To avoid contamination, do not handle the tips with your hands. It's important to use the micropipette unit properly to precisely dispense accurate volumes consistently. Following these steps will aid in your success. When drawing up solutions, you need to press the plunger down to the first stop. When dispensing solution, you need to press the plunger to the second stop. When using the micropipette, you need to set the correct volume you want to transfer. We will set this micropipette to 910 microliters. Set the lock. Now attach a tip by firmly pressing down on the tip. Keeping the micropipette vertical, press the plunger to the first stop, then immerse about half the tip into the solution. Slowly allow the plunger to draw up the liquid back into its original position. Leave the tip in the solution. Now we are going to dispense the solution into a microcentrifuge tube. To press the plunger to the second stop, remove pipette tip from the tube before releasing the plunger. Lastly, eject the tip into a waste container. Best practice: always set the micropipette to the max volume before storing. Common mistakes. Avoid pushing the plunger to the second stop before drawing up the solution. This leads to extra solution being drawn up into the tip. Do not hold the micropipette upside down, especially after filling a tip with liquid. This will cause liquid to drain into the barrel and contaminate the micropipette and render it unusable. Avoid releasing the plunger too fast. This can cause the solution to splash up into the tip and not dispense properly, leading to inaccurate results. Avoid putting your tip into the solution before pressing the plunger. This makes bubbles in the solution and can lead to inaccurate results.